Welcome to the Annual Success Planning System playlist. These videos will guide you through creating a strategic roadmap for your most successful year yet. This isn't about vague resolutions or wishful thinking. It's about developing a concrete, actionable plan that translates your biggest goals into daily actions. If previous years haven't delivered the progress you wanted, this system will change everything. In this strategic playlist, you'll learn how to reflect meaningfully on past performance, identify your true priorities among countless options, create a strategic vision that guides daily decisions, break down ambitious goals into manageable steps, begin with reflect and plan to understand our fundamental approach, then explore specific techniques like brain dumping, prioritization, and strategic mapping. Each video builds on the previous one, creating a complete annual planning system. For personalized guidance, book your 30-minute strategy session using the link in any video description. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to build your success plan one video at a time. Your most successful year starts with the right plan.